Which of the following is true? Tessellation partitions the study space into cells and assign a value to each cell. A raster is a regular tessellation with square cells, by far the most commonly used. Both 1 and 2, and the final is none of the above. Now you got it right, it's both 1 and 2, option number 3. The first thing is tessellation. Tessellation are the continuous combination of shapes that forms a structure or framework to represent it on, say, a GIS or a computer system, either in the gaming also. So this shape, the tessellation partition the study space into cells and assigns a value to each cell. For example, a raster is an image where each pixel will have a value. For example, this you see a tessellation. It's changing into triangle, it's changing into a regular say shape also. But this is for representing 3D. You might have seen it in DEM, digital elevation model. In gaming also this tessellation or raster things is used. In GIS or image processing, each pixel is a value containing area that represent in actual world that pixel which will have certain value. For example, this image is showing the block or grid which shows the brightness value. For example, if you take a mountain, you need to show that mountains on something. For that you need to have a tessellation. Or in gaming also, if you want to show certain creature, you have to have a tessellation or raster or some block which will have certain value.